metro looks like. Hi guys, today I fancied coming to a park. There's not many around in Dubai, so I just thought, you know what, let me just go and explore. Dora the Explorer today. Excuse the no makeup and the kind of messy hair look, but I'm just at one with nature and I'm just enjoying some like tranquility and non-city life, so I didn't want to put any makeup on. But there's this cute little park called Mushriff Park. It's quite far on the train. It's about 45 minutes. I took a little taxi from Centre Point Metro. It's like the last one on the red line. I'm really excited. I mean, so far, this is where I am at. By the way, it's so hot, so I don't know if I recommend you come in during this time, but maybe in like a month or so.
So before coming, I researched a bit about the park and I saw they designed these little miniature homes from all over the world, and as you can see they've called it World Village. And before I ventured off to go and see them, I came across this beautiful fountain and it just looks so pretty.
And also like they do like bicycle rentals, which I would probably advise because it's huge. Look at these cool go-karts. Came to get some snacks. Very spacious.
I mean, look at this, guys. Who would have thought that Dubai actually has nature and greenery? It's so pretty, and I just had to stop and take a moment to soak it all in. It's crazy.
It's absolutely tiny, but I'm really small. It says Thai house. I'm gonna attempt to walk through. Let's go. So this is what it looks like. Don't know if I'm allowed in here. Netherlands house. They're just so cute. Like these little houses that they've designed. Japanese house. So small, so cute. I wonder if you can go inside. Let's see. I might get told off. Wow. Guys, I made it inside the tiniest house you've ever seen. But I'm just loving the fact, does this slide? Oh my God, please tell me this slides. Okay, it doesn't go. So this one is called the Indonesian house. They're all just so tiny. And we are approaching Burma House. I like this one. It's cute. Oh my God, they're really so cute how they've done it. Like even the little tiny mini stairs. I look so ginormous for once. And we're going inside. Wow, so cool. Arabian House. As you can see, lots of sand around the Arabian House. As expected. That's what it looks like. Woo! All right. Arabian House. Guys, can you see that? Like, I'm full on sweating. It was a hot day to come today, but I'm just glad. This one is Nubian House. Oh, all right then, cool. It's like igloo style. Chinese house. I don't know why I've got this accent on today. I'm speaking like I'm David Attenborough. This is super cool. Whoa, that's so dope. Check this out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I actually feel like if they made a house like this, like I could live here. Welcome to my crib. I think I might set up here and do a little bit of meditation in Chinese house. I'll be back in 5 seconds. Here is English house. That's my kind of house. It feels like I'm just back in England with 40 degrees heat. Oof. All right, cool. Oh my goodness. That's very cool. Even got like an old brick fireplace. Got the beams. Nice. They've even got these little doors. Do they shut? Oh, they do shut, but someone's put the thing there. So English house. Woohoo! Last but not least. And then I'm gonna go over there to check these mushrooms out. Shrooms. Shrooms. This is Norway house. Woo. Oh, it's a little bit dark in here. I'm sweating like a absolute pig. Window ting. It's cool. Sauna vibes in Norway house. I'm really wondering like who designed this whole concept of doing these houses. So yeah, that's my tour of all these little cute houses. I'm not disappointed. I'm really not disappointed. It was actually really fun. It was a fun thing to do alone, so I'd really advise it. Come on down, check it out. It's a bit random. It's just random. So they've got like these little mushrooms. Just, if anyone can tell me why, that would be cool. Oh my goodness. Whoa. All right, I'm in the mushroom. Hey. So, is this what shrooms feel like? I'm gonna go and have a little sit down somewhere, chill out, get some water. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. I had so much fun. It was intriguing to see all these little houses. Dubai is full of surprises, guys. So I'm gonna be doing more vlogs on more places, things to do in Dubai. So keep an eye out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff. You can comment on how much of a sweaty mess I am. You get to see me in my natural state. Yeah, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Ciao.